Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to pump the bus up. We know this bus has a problem pumping up all the way. So we're going to try and get it up as close as we can. Just like, don't want to pump up beyond 90 pounds, and we'll have to figure out what that is. Could be a leak, we don't know. But in this case, we're just going to go to 80. What we're going to do, with the brakes released, we can't leak more than 2 pounds per minute. And right off the bat, it fails. Now, if I put the brake pedal all the way down, look at the brake. Take a picture of this. This is totally unacceptable. And so we're going to write this up. DO does not pass. Okay. Now the pressure relief valve, we have to go get the compressor to do that. We're going to do an air compressor discharge test. In this particular case, this is the check valve right here. And some cities do this. California puts them between the tanks up front, but this does it here. Now, what we need to do is to check to see if it's bleeding back. And what we're going to do is, this valve here is not working, so let me grid orange. Okay, let's see here. All right, there's the valve. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the valve. Now, as you can see, it's not leaking, so it passes. Valves. We're going to go in the pit again.
What is it? Brake relay valve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, and this valve here is leaking. So we're going to put down here BO leaking. Now we're going to go to the front application valve. This is the application valve right here. And you want to see it is not leaking. Okay, so it passes.
It would be leaking out the bottom right there.
It would leaking out the bottom, yes.
Just like the other valve. Dig it.
Okay, we need to go inside the bus again.
It's your exercise doing bus inspection.